You leave Christianity, you go enter Godianism. Unrepentant cultist. Cultism is in your blood. Your leader has collected money from CIA to form religion of the Igbos. What the fuck? Religion of the Igbos to undermine our pristine spirituality system. Give us spiritual identity crisis. It's just like ordinary bots. It's just how small that the GOA needs. CIA see that ordinary is resurgent and they are floating some brand new bullshit. Same old, talking about cheesing. That go bound on. Let's give Igbos some opium laced in ordinary flavor. You know what I mean? Everybody likes their shit flavored, so you can eat your shit, right? Yeah, make everybody get the fuck out. Make everybody get out. Fuck the fuck out of here with that bullshit. We are not fighting one monster for another monster to go and grow up in his place immediately. Ndi Igbo, go straight to your mmuo, go straight to your ezumezu. Religion is cultism. Period. Pigini, riod. I'm not saying period in my videos, but today I'm saying it. Religion is cultism, period. The CIA is shitting religions all over Africa, all over everywhere, faster than broiler can shit brown eggs. And I say fuck out of here. We are not buying that shit. We are not buying that fucking shit. That's not shit. Fuck out of here with your fucking Godianism. Fuck out of here. Igbo, share this video. Share this my video more than you've ever shared any of my video. This is more important than everything. They come for us. They target us directly. Imagine Godianism, cheesing. Fuck out of here. This is too important. I would have said go and stream Holy Ezumezu and all them other songs, Holy Ezumezu Ofeke, but this shit is more important than that, guy. Fuck out of here. Say fuck out of here to Godianism. Share this video, guy. Run the shares up, straight up. Fuck out of here, Godianism. Yeah, the land in Nafandiuri. Ndi usa.